Okay, well, we've got flood warnings. This is my little ditch spring. This is my little ditch spring right here. See how big it's gotten? I want to show you our creek. And this is crazy. Oh, I took my pump out, thankfully it's okay. This is rushing this down. Look at that. This is a lot of water coming through here. A lot of sediment. So we're gonna walk down. We're gonna walk up the hill, and then I'm gonna walk down to the bridge. And my neighbor had called and said that it was impassable, that the water has gone over the bridge and onto the road. So, and there was already a little bit of erosion going on the road. That I noticed earlier this week, and I haven't quite got a hold of the Bairds yet because, well, sometimes they don't really answer in a timely manner, which is neither here nor there. But let's walk down and see what's going on. Here's my solar panels. For those that are interested, those are solar panels. You know, it's disconnected right now. This goes directly to my water source and powers that pump that you saw. It was pushed down, but I had it held. My gosh, I'm gonna give like a kudos to baling twine, the orange stuff. That stuff is strong. And I put an extra one on there just now on my pump. Sorry, I'm heaving heavily. It's very, oh my gosh. See the movie? I'll stop right now. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my. Interestingly, I got a flood warning flash across my phone. Hey Dixie, it's okay, girl. So I got a flash warning across my phone in about 10 minutes. Hey Dix, about 10 minutes ago. And I am, oh geez, wow. I mean, this creek has been really high before like this. Really high, but it's okay. Really high. And I just wanted to show you, it's about ready to jump the road right here. So it's usually about 12 feet down there. I'm here to help you and videotape. So here we are right now. And let me show you the other side right here. It's raging. All right, I'm gonna see if I can be of assistance. And yeah, whoa. Let's go back over here. Whoa, okay. Be safe, bye.